if you have been freelancing for the last few months, for the last few years, I do have a message which you might maybe not like, but unfortunately things will not be good for you in 2026 unless you really start to do something different. You know, with me, I've been running my agency for the last almost 10 years now, marketing agency, offering services for clients, working with clients. And you know, the thing for the last 10 years, my agency has been at a different level. I've been making $3,000 per month, $10,000 per month, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. And you know, it's been incredible. It's been great. It's been an incredible journey, and I'm very thankful for all of these things that was happening to me. But that can go for another 10 years, you know. Sometimes we lose a client, sometimes we gain a new client, but at the end of the day, it's the same shit, you know. It's really not something that can make a huge difference. And what can make the huge difference? What can really give you that, you know, growth, that change in your life, opportunities, you know? And the answer is doing something that you never have done before, or you were waiting for it. You know, maybe you were thinking about it, but at the end of the day, you were like, it's okay, I'm doing well now, let me do it later. And that's building your social media. I know it might sound too obvious, or you heard about this before, but really, you know, the answer to all of these things is simply working on your social media, working on your personal brand, creating a YouTube channel, creating an X account, creating a LinkedIn profile, right? I mean, it can be anything, you know, it can be really anything. But if you don't really make that first step, if you don't really like make it as a priority, as a discipline, essentially the transformation will never happen. You know, for me, I tried to do it multiple times. I did it first on Instagram. I took my Instagram seriously in 2017 because that's what the service I was offering, Instagram growth service. I still offer the service. If you're looking to grow your Instagram, we can definitely work together. But that, you know, and essentially what I was told by people, like by my clients, is like, okay, you're gonna help me grow Instagram account, but show me what you have done with your Instagram, you know, show me the results you have. Because, okay, I see you have good reviews, but can I take a look at your Instagram, right? So these questions are, of course, kind of like made me think about more that, you know, if I want to provide this service, I actually need to be really good at it, and I need to have something done for myself. So those are the questions that you might be getting, you know. But if you don't offer social media services, really, if you want to sell anything online, people are gonna look at your presence. They're gonna look at your social media. They're gonna look at your maybe Google information about you, articles, you know, other things. So I highly encourage you guys to just, you know, do something different in 2026, you know. Even though you're not gonna see any results with it for, let's say, the next 12 months. Like, even though if you're gonna put 100% of your time and effort and work, but you're not gonna see like significant results in 12 months, it's way better than just saying that I'm gonna do it later on. Because the thing is, with my sort of journey, with my agency, it's always can be up and down, right? And when things are down, we start to think about, okay, we need to do something different. We need to start to grow our social media. We need to start to run some ads, you know. But in order for this to prevent this kind of, you know, all of this, you know, actions and being like, okay, I need to do something because it's not working out, just start your YouTube channel. Just start your LinkedIn profile, you know, like really. And you know, people say that you have to be consistent everywhere, and the answer to that is that it's impossible. It's impossible to be consistent everywhere, and you cannot just build YouTube channel, Instagram channel at the same time successfully, you know, unless you have a team. Because what usually happens, even after this video, you guys might be excited. You'll be like, okay, let's do it, let's push it. And then what happens after 1 or 2 months, you will get demotivated. You will be essentially like, okay, this is not working out. I should just basically stop doing that. I should just do something else. So are you gonna pivot? You know, you're gonna do something different. So for you to not have these thoughts, you just should pick one platform. For me, like, I've been doing YouTube for last maybe 5 or more years, and you know, to be honest, this whole YouTube thing is also very, it's a whole challenge for me, because I did YouTube at the beginning of my journey, and I was working with Alex. He was a videographer, and he was doing an amazing job with his content, with his work. And I was like, okay, I like what Gary Vee is saying. He says you need to document your journey. I really love all of that. Let me try to do it as well. Let me just document my journey. And honestly, it was very challenging because, well, the thing is, I was not thinking too much about the views. I was not thinking too much about the whole like subscriber number. I was just like, okay, I have this goal. I need to document my journey. I wanna create this, as you know, he says, like a legacy for yourself. But I was the same. I want to create not necessarily a legacy, because I'm still like, but I just want to create something that, you know, even now I go back to 2017, 2018, and I genuinely love this content that I was creating, you know. If you guys go back into my old videos, you're gonna see like what I was creating. You're gonna see my whole journey, you know. And that's the whole point of social media, you know. That's the whole point of this, is to create this like documentation of your things that you're going through. Of course, when we talk about Instagram and LinkedIn and X and other platforms, it might be tricky, because you need to be really consistent in this platform. So if you want to create a legacy, like if you want to create really a huge transformation for your personal brand, you need to look at the platform like YouTube, because, you know, I'm always fascinated how much YouTube can bring you value. Like, I have a video which I posted like more than a year ago, and this video is still bringing me views every single day. This video is still bringing me new people who discover my channel, who decide to watch other videos. So, and honestly, like, if you just take that, or just one platform like YouTube, and make it as something that is very, very high priority for you, and you just become generally obsessed about this platform. Like, you create long form, you create short form, you create YouTube posts, you know, like a lot of people are posting the YouTube posts. It's like just like general updates, and they are performing well. Like I think, unless you have, let's say, if you have a clear goal, for example, right now my other goal is to build more community around Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancers. That's what I'm focusing with Ayman on the Freelance Hustle, the platform for Fiverr sellers, for Upwork sellers. If you guys haven't used it, I would love for you to use it. But you know, in order for me to grow this type of platform, I have to be like crazy consistent. Like, I have to post, you know, X posts, LinkedIn posts. Like, it has to be, I have to be everywhere, because I can be reaching out to these people. Because my clear goal, my clear call to action is for people to use the platform, to try to use the platform, you know. If you don't have this clear goal yet, your clear goal should be picking one platform and getting so obsessed with this platform. You know, I generally think that you should really become super obsessed with one platform. And yeah, I think this is something that you should try. I mean, you must take a step. If you want your 2026 to be different, to not be the same as your last years, if you're just new to freelancing, I can tell you, like, if you don't change anything now, your next 10 years are going to be the same. You know, you're going to be just making 10K per month, 20K per month. It's good, it's great, but you will not have this transformation. because you're doing the same thing over and over and over again, and you're gonna hit your ceiling. So guys, let me know your thoughts. Just wanted to share this out, and keep pushing, and see you in the next updates.